Home remedy to kill brush weeds. Remedies for weeds are as plentiful as weeds themselves. Weed control products can be purchased from your local home and garden store, grocery store, or made at home with a few ingredients. Home remedies for controlling weeds and brush can be more economical and more effective than ones purchased at the store. These remedies are not difficult to create and are even easier to administer. They also do not contain harmful chemicals that could kill the plants that you want to have in your garden. Prevention of weeds. One easy way to limit the amount of weeds in your yard is to mow your lawn frequently so that weeds do not grow fast enough to spread their seeds. Also, keeping the length of your grass slightly higher will prevent weeds from getting enough sunlight to grow properly. Elimination of weeds that exist. Vinegar has a variety of uses for home remedies, one being the ability to kill weeds. Spraying or pouring vinegar on existing weeds will kill the weed, but be cautious not to pour or spray on plants that you desire in your garden. Boiling water is a great option as well, even better than vinegar, because boiling water will kill the roots as well as the weed. Using weed covering. Another home remedy is to use a weed covering. Before planting any new plants, place 5 layers of newspaper on the ground over the soil. Cut the newspaper where you want to place the new plants. After placing the plants, cover the newspaper with mulch or pebbles. The newspaper will keep weeds and brush from coming up and will still allow your plants to grow where you have placed them. Pulling weeds. Pulling weeds is a great way to remove them without using harmful chemicals. There are also a variety of tools available that help to pull out weeds with deep roots or that are more difficult to pull out. Larger hoes and special gardening knives are just a few of the tools that you can get at your local garden store to assist you in pulling out the weeds. The benefit to pulling weeds is that you are guaranteed to not harm plants that you want in your lawn. Considerations. Vinegar can change the pH of your soil if used in excess. This could harm the existing plants. Make sure to use sparingly and only on the plants that you are trying to get rid of. Some home remedies include using bleach, or a bleach mixture. This too could change your soil's pH balance. Preventing weeds is far easier than getting rid of weeds and brush after they occur. Make sure to maintain your lawn properly.